sunny day in Paris. What do you think? Are you dressed? Lisa, are you dressed?
Okay.
What do you think?
That's great.
Pretty dope. Pretty dope spot. You too. I was thinking with you too. This is our spot.
Yeah, I missed that. So yes,
All
the plan
began.
was-
Little Julius Caesar action here.
Oh, Luther in the center of this, huh?
Yeah.
It's like, whoa.
Could you be the most beautiful girl in the world? It's plain to see you're the reason that God made a girl. When the day turns into the last day of all time, I can say, I hope you are in these arms of mine.
Yeah, that was a battle in World War II. They also showed it in Call of Duty. There was a French resistance there to the Nazis. Right here, it's in Call of Duty. So the resistance of World War II was fought right there, the liberation. That was the Nazi headquarters. Who'd have thunk it?
Stop.
The most beautiful girl in the world. Could you be
Cheers.
plain to see
What up?
you're the reason that God made a girl? Oh, yes, you are. How can I get through days when I can't get through hours? I can try, but when I do, I see you and I'm devoured. Oh yes, who'd allow a face to be soft as a flower? Oh, I could bow and feel proud in the light of His power. Oh, yeah. Oh, could you be?
It's the wild side. Third finger down if you're wild, make a sound. Look at my people getting on down.
It's plain to see you're the reason that God made a girl. Oh, yes, you are.
The stars.
The Lollipop Club. Rudy works there.
I know Mars could not be too far behind. 'Cause baby, this kind of beauty, it's got no reason to ever be shy. 'Cause honey, this kind of beauty, the kind that comes from inside.
Could you be the most beautiful girl in the world?
So beautiful, beautiful.
It's plain to see
Plain to see.
you're the reason that God made a girl. Could you be?
You were tired of walking. It isn't supposed to have a tower.
Tower was behind over
See?
there.
Give me a kiss.
It was like 120
Give me a kiss in August.
So hot.
Give me a kiss.
It's disgustingly
In
hot.
August 2003.
People were literally dying.
People were dying.
It
Give
was
me a
so
kiss.
hot. Because they don't have air conditioning here.
Right there.
Jess, give me a kiss. It's right there. Give me one. Yes, perfect. My brother and I don't get video a lot. This is good. This is my wife too. She counts, but she's.
Hola. Yeah.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy
I don't know
bien.
French.
Bonsoir.
Buongiorno, boys.
Buongiorno, boys.
Call, call my name. Call my name. Heard your voice this morning, calling out my name. It had been so long since I've heard that it didn't really sound quite the same, no. But it let me know that my name had never really been spoken before. Before the day I carried you through the bridal path door. And ever since the day I haven't wanted one but you. Anybody who really knows me knows the truth. That I just can't stop writing songs about you. I love you so much. I just can't wait to get my arms around you. Feel your touch. Hey. If I don't see you real soon, baby girl, I might go insane. No, it's only been 3 hours, but I love it when you call my name. Yes, I do. Heard a voice on the news saying people wanna stop the war. Stop the war. The hell of love as sweet as you. And forget what they were fighting for. What's the matter with the world today? Land of the free. Somebody lied. They can plug my phone. People round my home. They'll only see you and me making love inside. Just can't